Hey one, Trackmaster here again. And today I was at lunch with my friend Matthew at Steak and Shake. And here's what he gave me here. 2 Thomas and Friends moments. Thomas and Ace the Racer. One of the things I wanted for Christmas. Includes Push Along Race Car. It's one of the moments from the movie Big World, Big Adventures. That's when Thomas and Friends started to go downhill once again. And on the back, it says, in the movie Big World, Big Adventures, Thomas experiences a global journey with his race car friend Ace. Now kids can relive their exciting moments together and create new ones. Ace can be towed in the flatbed or removed for push along play. He even works on Trackmaster track. Man, why am I not amused? And I like Thomas's surprise face. I only have Nia and the elephant, but I don't have young Bao the hero yet, but I do want him. But I do like how all of Thomas's wheels are brown, because I think of the fact because they're muddy. I do love the jungle details on Thomas's boiler, and look at the wet snake on Thomas's on one of Thomas's sides. And a red wagon with a green snake in it. And the one flatbed with Ace on him. And the number 43 on Ace. Like my YouTube username, Trackmaster43. How ironic is that? And look at and here's the other Trackmaster moment. Rebecca includes snap-on accessories. I don't even like Rebecca because she's like a dumb replacement of Henry. I know Henry still remains part of the Thomas and Friends series onwards along with Edward, but still. Anyways, let me read this. Inspired by moments from the show, this unique Rebecca engine includes clip-on digging gear. When she's not sporting her cool mining machinery, it can be stored in her cargo car. There's also Animal Party Percy, Rebecca, and Monkey Mania Thomas. Although I'm not really sure about getting Animal Party Percy or Monkey Mania Thomas, because like I said, Thomas and Friends has gone downhill once again. And I don't think it'll get any better in my opinion. But in my opinion, I don't think Rebecca looks cool. I think it looks awkward. But what I do like about it is Pinchy, aka Diesel 10's claw. What's also interesting here is the Thomas Trackmaster push along engines. And it says right here, push along and motorized engines work on Trackmaster track. Anyways, I'm gonna get these 2 trains opened. Be back in a second. Okay, I have both these trains out of the boxes. Now, oh, I do have this here frog on top of Thomas's cab roof. As I was saying, now all I have to do is give these 2 trains each 2 AAA batteries. I have all these. I have this 8 AAA battery pack right here, along with my screwdriver right here. I'm gonna put the batteries in the boilers. Just let me pause my phone for a second. Okay, I have all the batteries placed in the boilers. Now to give them a test run on the tracks, shall we? First, I'm giving Thomas and Ace a test run. Sorry guys, just got a notification. Now to give Rebecca a test one, shall we? Sorry. One of the objects just fell out of her car. Let me go and fix that. Dear everyone, I just fixed it. Now let's continue a test one. Oops, I accidentally read the points which to the end of the line. Let me also fix that. Now let's continue to test one for real. Oh, not again. Now let's continue to test one for real. Ah, dang it. Now let's continue to test one. Every time! Man, that didn't really go that good. So that was my test run for both my new trains. And, oh boy, I am going to have to detail them after this later on. So thanks for watching and bye for now.